Are you tired of bleeding hundreds of dollars every month on dozens of different WordPress plugins just to keep your site running? If you are paying for SEO tools, security software, image optimizers, and automated chat features, you are wasting your money. Today, I am going to show you a brand new AI bundle that replaces over 10 premium WordPress plugins and puts your entire WordPress site on complete autopilot. Welcome to App Verdict, and let us dive in. Here's my honest first impression. This is not just another basic plugin that you install and forget. WPilot AI is an absolute game changer. It replaces expensive tools like Yoast Premium, WordFence, and Affiliate WP with a single AI brain. For a one-time price of $19, you get 10 smart AI plugins that actually do the work for you. If you want to stop paying monthly fees and save thousands of dollars a year, this is a must-have. Make sure you stick around because I have put together a massive package of 10 exclusive bonuses that you will only get if you pick this up through the link in my description. So, what exactly is WPilot AI and who is it for? WPilot AI is a bundle of 10 premium WordPress plugins powered by artificial intelligence. It is built for WooCommerce store owners, bloggers, affiliate marketers, and agencies who want to scale without the manual grunt work. The biggest problem with WordPress right now is that you have to buy 20 different tools to make your site fast, secure, and profitable. None of them talk to each other, and you're left doing all the heavy lifting. WPilot AI solves this by giving you a unified system. It writes your product descriptions, recovers abandoned carts through WhatsApp, blocks hackers, and optimizes your site so you can rank directly inside AI engines like ChatGPT and Claude. It's basically a full-time virtual assistant working 24/7. Let's jump inside the dashboard so you can see exactly how this works. As you can see on the screen, this is what your WordPress admin area looks like with WPilot AI installed. First, take a look at the AI Commerce feature. If you upload a new product, the AI instantly writes a high-converting description and scores the SEO. There's zero manual writing needed. Next is the Claude Assistant. Instead of clicking through menus, you just type a command. You can type "Publish my new draft" and add Sarah as an editor, and it happens instantly. My favorite part is the WhatsApp notifier. If a customer leaves something in their cart, the AI automatically sends them a WhatsApp message an hour later with a link to check out. This alone will pay for the software on day one. You also get a robust security scanner, an image optimizer that shrinks your file sizes by 90%, and a geo optimizer that rewrites your old blog posts so they get recommended by ChatGPT. Everything is automated. Let's talk about the pricing and the optional upgrades. The front-end starter license is just $19 right now, but if you click the link below, use the coupon code WPIL2 at checkout to instantly save $2. If you run multiple sites or do client work, you'll see Upgrade 1, which is the unlimited license, for $37. This lets you put these 10 plugins on as many sites as you want. However, the absolute best value is the bundle deal. For a single payment of $247, you get the front end, the unlimited license, full reseller rights, and a massive done-for-you pack of prompts and templates. You save over $300 by grabbing the bundle, and you can literally turn around and sell these plugins to your own clients for $500 a month. Now, I promised you some exclusive bonuses. If you buy WPilot AI through the link in the description, you will get instant access to these 10 premium tools to supercharge your results. Number 1, WP Swift Page plugin. This will instantly increase your site speed and drastically lower your bounce rate. Number 2, Keyword Research Ninja 2.0, a tool to uncover highly profitable keywords from Google and YouTube. Number 3, Backlinks Warrior software. This automates finding high-quality backlinks to boost your site rankings. Number 4, Article Analyzer. This checks your keyword density to make sure your posts are perfectly optimized. Number 5, WP Email Timer Plus. This lets you add countdown timers directly into your emails and pages to force people to buy. Number 6, Conversion Equalizer, a tool to automatically optimize your ad campaigns for maximum return on investment. Number 7, Action Poll. Easily segment your mailing list to get higher open rates and more targeted sales. Number 8, 100 ready-made niche blogs. You get 100 preloaded blogs to instantly start driving free search engine traffic. Number 9, WP Bot Blocker plugin, an extra layer of security to keep malicious bots away from your sites. Number 10, Auto Support Bot. Easily add an automated live chat feature to your site to answer customer questions round the clock. You get all 10 of these exclusive App Verdict bonuses completely free when you use my link below. My final verdict is simple. WPilot AI is a no-brainer. The amount of time and money you'll save by canceling your other software subscriptions is massive. But you need to act right now. The creators are running a strict launch special. Once the timer hits 0, the one-time pricing disappears completely, and WPilot AI will change to $49 every single month. Plus, my 10 exclusive bonuses are only available for the next 48 hours. Don't wait. Click the first link in the description, use the code WPIL2, and lock in your lifetime account for just $17 before the price jumps. Thank you so much for watching this WP Pilot AI review. If you found this helpful, please hit the like button, leave a comment if you have any questions, and subscribe to App Verdict for more honest software reviews. Click the link below to get WP Pilot AI and claim your bonuses right now. All your bonuses will be waiting for you instantly on the checkout receipt page. See you in the next video.